Hey guys, this will be the part two of the how to make money with affiliate marketing training that we are learning. And if you haven't yet watched the first part of this training, I encourage you guys to watch the video first. I'm gonna put a link down in the description of this video so you guys can watch it first and go back and to this video after you watch the first video so you guys can understand, because in the first part of this training guys I talk about how to find an offers to promote, and I talk about two different sources, Warrior Plus and Manchai. So I encourage you guys to watch the video first before watching this video. In this video, we'll talk about how to get approved to an offers that we wanted to promote, right? So in the last video, we've go to Manchai and we found a an offer that we wanted to promote, but unfortunately that offer you know changed their, they haven't, or they removed the affiliate program. So what we need to do in this video guys is to find another offer and we'll apply our link to be approved, right? So we'll need to focus on, so go to manchi.com. I'm gonna also put this link down in the description of this video so you guys can go directly to this website, right? So go to manchi.com, and then I want you guys to, I explained that we will be focusing on Warrior Plus Marketplace because this is the marketplace that we will be using to promote products and offers, right? So we will be focusing on Warrior Plus, which is the right side of this uh, um, corner, and then you'll find different offers right here that we can promote, right? So just find the offer that you want to promote. But I suggest you guys to go with make money online niche. But most of the products that are launching in Warrior Plus is make money online niche. So basically, just find an offer that you wanted to promote. So in this case, let's find the one that we can promote. Um, I've already applied some of this, so I cannot show you. So let me find a offer that I haven't yet applied. So in this case, let's try to apply for this offer. This one is from Rose Traffic Sniper. So the name of the product is Traffic Sniper. So click on this. It doesn't really matter what offer you're trying to promote, but in this case, um, you will be for this video tutorial, we'll be using this product as a sample so you guys can see exactly how this works. Alright, so basically I want you guys to click on the JP page. Click on the JP page and this will take you to the JP page where you can learn more about this product. And I've already explained this in the first part of this trading video. Alright, so yeah, so basically you can learn more about this. You can grab all the information about this product that you're trying to promote, find the email swipes and graphics, sales funnels, cost prices, products, and this is where you apply your link, right? So in this video, this will be a very short video because we will be focusing on how to get approved, right? How to get our link to be approved to promote this product, because most of these product creators, product owners, they're not really accepting new affiliates or newbies that don't have sales record on Warrior Plus. So I want you guys to to follow this exact method that I'm going to show you. So because at the end of the day, we need to get our link to be approved, guys, so we can start promoting this using free traffic, right? So if you want to learn more about the product, you basically read all the information that you want. But basically, guys, what we need to do is to just basically click on um, grab your link, or claim your affiliate link, right? Something along these lines right here. And you can find like several buttons right, like this one: grab your link, claim your affiliate link, sign up for GB updates. If you wanna sign up for an update of this product launch, then you can do that. Right, so but basically guys, we need to get our link to be approved. So I want you to click on this button, claim your Warrior Plus affiliate link, or claim your affiliate link, or grab your affiliate link, doesn't really matter, right? So click on the affiliate link application, and then this will take you to your Warrior Plus account. So basically, you need to log into your Warrior Plus account for you to be able to click on request for approval. Because if you haven't, if you did not log in, you can you cannot click on request for approval. So basically, you need to log into your account so for you to be able to to click on request for approval. All right. So I want you to click on request for approval, and then I want you guys to notice the product or the owner of this product, which is this person right here. The name of the person is Defo Gang. So just basically copy the name. I want you to copy the name, and then um, because we will address this person into our application, right? So now click on request for approval, and this is where we need to get our link to be approved, right? So because we will be sending them free traffic using YouTube, using product reviews on YouTube. Most of these vendors or most of these product owners, they don't really accept newbies, guys. That is why I really want you to follow this exact process so you guys your link will be approved, right? So what you can say is something like hey, and then you can put in the name of the person or the owner of this product. That's why I need you to copy the vendor name or the product owner of this course, and then you can add some space, and then we can add some extra space right here, and then you can say something like uh, in my case I always be transparent with the product owner because I already have a YouTube channel that has subscribers. um, I always say like hey Devo Yang, I will be I will be sending you traffic from from my growing YouTube channel that has over 6K plus subs. Or I can say something like I will be sending you traffic and probably sales. Yeah, something like that. And appreciate it if you could approve my link for, and then mention the name of the product for traffic sniper. All right, and then you can say something like all the best, and then add in your name right there, and then that's basically the way I apply for an approval for my link. Now this will not work for you guys because you haven't yet have the subscribers and you don't have a sales track record. But if you have but if you already have a YouTube subscribers and you have some some sort of subscribers, like even if just 100 subscribers, you can be you can be transparent to the person. So this person can really see that you are a real person, you're not lying to him, right? But basically guys, most of them most of these vendors doesn't approve if you don't have sales track record inside of Wire Plus account. That is why guys, you know, at the end of the day, we need to get our link to be approved, right? So I want you to instead of doing that, this you shouldn't be doing this, but this is the way you should be doing this because this is the only way that you get approved. All right. So I want you guys to you know uh, address another the product vendor. Hey, and then you can say something like I will be I will be sending you 500 clicks, or you can say something like 500 clicks, 1,000 clicks, it doesn't really matter, but you can say something like 500 clicks, 500 clicks from solo ads. You say something like that because if you don't have the sales track record, these vendors would not allow to approve your link. That is why use this method, right, guys. At the end of the day, we need to just get up our link to be approved so we can create our YouTube videos and um, use free traffic for this, right? So you can say something like, I will be sending you 500 clicks from solo ads. And yeah, so that's basically it, guys. I will be sending you I will be sending you you can say something like 1,000 clicks, or but you can say something like 500 clicks. I'll be sending you 500 clicks from solo ads, and from from my growing email. You can say something like this, because they I know this, they wouldn't allow you, they won't approve your link, right? So that is why you have to to tell them how you're gonna promote this, you know so you'll be sending 500 clicks from solo ads and from my growing growing email list, for my email groups, something like that, right? I will be sending you 500 clicks, and probably you can say something like, and probably sales from solo ads and from my growing email list, right? So something like that. And then um, you can put in your name. You can say something like, I appreciate if you could approve my link, right? And then just put in again your name, all the best, right? You're then put in your name right there, right? Right. I know we're lying at this point, but this is how you should do this, because this they wouldn't approve it. Most of them, guys, I'm not saying that all of them would not approve the link, but we need to get approved our link at the end of the day. So I need you guys to to tell them these lines right here, right? So you'll be sending them a 500 clicks and probably sales from solo ads and from a growing email list, right? But if you have, but if you wanna send paid ads, then you can just use this method right here. All right. So basically, this is what you'll be doing, so you guys can, so your link will be approved, and you can start promoting your, um, promoting or start creating our review videos. So yeah, and then after that, guys, you just basically click on a request offer here, and then this will notify the seller or the vendor, and then he'll see your application, and then he'll hopefully he'll approve your application to his product, right? Yeah, so that's basically it, guys, in this video. In the next video, guys, we'll talk about how to craft our offer, how to craft bonuses for the specific offer, right? And yeah, so I think that would be in this video. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. The method is, you shouldn't be doing this, but this is the only way that you need to get your link approved, right? 90% of the time your link will be approved if you do that, because if you wouldn't do that, if it, most of them will just ignore you or decline your application, right? So you will be very specific with your application, so these people knows exactly that you know what you are, and you that these people knows that you know exactly what you are doing, right? So yeah, that will be it in this video, guys. In the next lesson, we'll talk about crafting bonuses for this offer, and after that, we'll get started creating our reviews. Right? So that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye.